As Russia has placed large amounts of surveillance system on the front line, one favorite has become the Murom-P, which can locate troops and vehicles at several kilometers range. But the Ukrainian drone army has been working hard to destroy these systems, causing Russia now to try and hide them more. As seen with this system sticking out from the roof, with tiles placed on top to try and camouflage the system with the roof. But as the Ukrainian drone army has great surveillance as well, they managed to identify the system, which can only result in one way at that point, as the drone blasts the system to pieces, taking out another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.